Okay, good day. So now we will be having a look at the large intestine. Okay. So if we want to have a clear look at the large intestine, we'll have to remove all the other organs first. Okay, and we will remove the jejunum and ileum here. So we can see the large intestine. Okay, large intestine. Okay, you can see here's the cecum. And there's the appendix here. And this is the appendix. Okay, the appendix. The position of this appendix, it is posterior to this structure. Okay, this is the distal end of ileum, the terminal ileum. So the appendix here, it is posterior to the terminal ileum, and thus the position of this appendix is post-ileal, also called retroileal. Okay? Okay, and this is cecum. So let's open up the cecum. So we can see here, this is the opening of the appendix into the cecum. And superior to that here, you can see opening of the terminal ileum into the cecum. Terminal ileum opens into the posterior middle wall of the cecum. And above the cecum here is the ascending colon. Ascending colon. Sorry. Okay. So this is cecum, ascending colon. On top here is the right colic flexure, and here is the transverse colon. Transverse colon. Here is the left colic flexure. Left colic flexure, and going down here is the descending colon. Okay, descending colon. Here's the sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon, and in the back there is the rectum. And that's the rectum in the true pelvis. Okay, on the surface of the large intestine here we can see tinea coli. Tinea coli. Over here also tinea coli, and this is tinea coli. Okay, this is free tinea, this is omental tinea. This is free tinea, all of these are tinea coli. And we can see haustration. Large intestine has haustration. This is one haustra, another haustra here, another haustra here, another haustra here. So these are haustrations. Haustrations. And we can see that the transverse colon here, it has a mesentery. And this mesentery is called the transverse mesocolon. And that attaches the transverse colon to the posterior abdominal wall. Okay? So here we can see the blood vessels, artery and veins that supply the large intestine, but we're not going to have a look at it in this model because it is not 100% correct. Okay? Okay, now let's remove the large intestine and have a look at the structures that are posterior to the large intestine. Okay? Okay, posterior to the cecum here, you'll see the right psoas major, right iliacus muscle, right gonadal vessels, and posterior to the ascending colon here, you can still see here right psoas major muscle, okay, right quadratus lumborum muscle, right transversus abdominis muscle, and this is the right kidney here. Okay, on the left side here, you'll see structures posterior to the descending colon, and it's similar to the structures posterior to the ascending colon. Here you can see Okay, you can see left kidney, left quadratus lumborum, left transversus abdominis muscle, left psoas major muscle, and left iliacus muscle. Okay, so that's all for large intestine. Thank you.